Yo, welcome back to another new video. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys, I'm back now. Alright, anyways, welcome back to another new video. Today we are going to be construction workers. So, before we even start doing construction, I've kind of forgot, gosh, dang it, to do stuff. Hold up, guys, I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I don't have really much time. I'm not going to end the video, but I have to go eat really quick. So, I'm going to sit up, then I'm going to go on cut for a while. But probably to you guys, it's only going to be like a while, only like a minute or so. So, what do we got to do? Is where in the world do we get the fences? Well, let's get the blueprints. And I think I'm going to put the blueprints over here. There we go. Looks good. Okay. Now we gotta get the construction site already. This is like, that's like dirt and stuff. Okay. This might be it. This might totally be it. Dude. Wow, where is the construction site? Oh, here it is. Okay. So, what we gotta do is, oh wait, my bad. Okay, so what we gotta do is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna change the time actually. I know this is cheating, but I got, oh my gosh, this is kind of a little dark area, so we don't really have too much. Okay, I did not mean to play that. Okay, I don't not mean to play these here. Okay, sorry, that's my dad. Okay, hold up. Alright, okay, I'm gonna place that there, and I'm gonna place these cones here. That looks good. So this road is closed off, and we are gonna close this whole intersection in, just in case. But I think I might have to. Yeah. I know. I can't really have these here because when we're gonna have to go get some. Damn, bro. We're gonna have to go get some other equipment, so let's just close off these two areas. I mean, no, we're gonna have to go straight. So we're just gonna put, oh god, I forgot how the other construction workers do it. Okay, I'm gonna place that there, and I'm gonna put right here that says, yeah, work. Well, it's a road closed. Oh my god, bro. Guys, I'm really sorry. Sorry. Yo, welcome back. Sorry. A YouTuber. I have all notifications on because he is one of my favorites. But, I'm sorry. But anyways, we have to hurry up because this thing is already looking good. Like, this is construction zone. I might have to place another cone, but no. So then you come through here. Then cars can just not come through here, actually. So they're pretty much gonna be okay, I can't even say that word really right. So, really, to be honest, we are actually gonna, place, like, get rid of 2 cones. Actually, let's get rid of 3 cones until there. Now, no cars are gonna be able to come through here, because we're gonna say, oh gosh, I can't say anything. Okay, you know what, that's good. So now cars can just come for here, then they can, you know, that looks good. We got the doctor's road closed and all that, you know. Now, oh gosh, I gotta hold up, guys. Be right back. Sorry, I had to go get a wreck down the house. 'Cause I guess there was another house there. But anyway, we got a house that's this is construction zone. So basically, no one in heck is allowed in over here. They can come from here, they go here, they can turn here, and that's it. So you can go back to Brookhaven, but we're kind of out of the city right now. So yeah. So I'm gonna go get our vehicle really quick. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, so we got everything. We got the vehicles, we basically got everything we just need. We already got everything laid out, all that. But we kinda got to start doing this, guys. If you know what I mean. Let's just start. Actually, I'm gonna get this. Alright. Actually, we kind of okay, hold up. Alright. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We are not actually gonna use this because it's kind of like gonna go really slow. So we're gonna use the bulldozer. So let's do this all. See, this is gonna go a lot smoother, and we're just supposed to take all of this bad dirt and just flatten it out. We will get stuck, so kind of why we're on an off-road vehicle. Alright. Let's do this. All of this. I don't know, I think that's good. Alrighty. Okay, we're almost done, I think. Yeah, look how easy this is gonna go. Okay. Damn, bro. I'm actually gonna go turn around right here, because that's kind of why we got a whole working area in there, you know. It's perfect. We're doing it like kind of like near the stables, so we're definitely out of the city, so no one really comes through here. Alright, here you go. Okay. We're kind of almost done, if you can see. We're just getting like rid of all the hard dirt, you know, so we don't get stuck when we're working. Okay, I think we're... We'll see when we get rid of all the peasants. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't think it does. But I'm gonna go way over here. We may have to use that, but... Okay. I think we're done, but I don't know. Yeah, I think we're done. So, I'm gonna go park this vehicle up. But I don't think we need these vehicles anymore. So I'm probably gonna take them to like the construction vehicle parking zone. I don't know where that is. I think it's like somewhere over by the stables. I don't know. I'll probably just like, you know, just drive them off a cliff like what movies like to do. But we kind of got this area done. So, where's our freaking? Oh no, I forgot to put something down. I think. Yeah, I did. Okay, hold up. we are gonna move. We are gonna be taking these vehicles away to like another place, and we'll be getting like trucks. We gotta get a forklift and all that. That's our next step, I think. So let me get. Shoot. Let me get other stuff like. Let me get like hold up. Yeah, let me like get like the blueprints. So yeah, there we go. So we'll be getting rid of those vehicles, and we gotta get rid of this. Here we go. I mean, we're gonna go get rid of the vehicle, so I'll be right back when we're when we get the truck. Okay, so we kind of got a truck now. Now we gotta go get. Well, we got like about 3 deliveries for the trucks to here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this might. Just to be honest, this honestly might take a while. But I don't know how many deliveries. I think they're in different places. Like one's at the police station. Like one's at the stables, one's at the police station, and one is at like at the airport or something. So let's you know, we gotta be safe with. Oh my gosh, I think I hit that on accident. My bad. I think I have to turn here. Oh, hold up. I gotta go. I'm gonna go the other way we were supposed to go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So, what we gotta do is we gotta connect the trailers to get the framing. Okay. I don't know. Do I even got it? It's kind of hard to drive, to be honest. We should got it by now. Hold up. I'm not the best driver ever. Yep, I got it now. Okay, we got it. But we're going really fast. Trying to get there really quick. Oh, we gotta be really careful when we go in, because what we are gonna do is, see, we gotta go this way. Oh, dude, it's hard. Okay. This is gonna be kind of hard, because we are gonna have to. I'm gonna try to get it. Okay, maybe I can just try to do this correctly. Okay. Just trying to get this all lined up. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go this way. And we're gonna. Oh my gosh, maybe this is such kind of a. Maybe this is kind of a bad idea. My bad. So I was just like kind of distracted how to do this. Okay, I think this is perfect. Lined up pretty good. So let's start getting everything. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't even see, bro. Okay, so let's park our truck right there. And I am gonna kind of take everything out. I'm gonna line everything up. Hi guys, I'm back. Oh, you guys are probably wondering what happened to my truck. Well, it got stolen, so it's at the construction parking lot. So yeah, we got everything laid out. So we're probably gonna need. Let's just start like. It's been like a couple months since we even talked. We basically got everything all good. Like we got like. If we gotta go to the bathroom, we do have to take it, but there's a whole bunch of crap in there, so that kind of means there's a lot of stuff in there, so we kind of gotta clean that once in a while. But we got like lights, if we gotta work. Yeah, this is our little, I don't know, construction RP, whatever it's called. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, we gotta go really high up in the mountains. Oh gosh, I almost died. Being a construction worker is kind of risky. Okay. So Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get that piece down there. We're gonna line everything up, and this is how it's gonna look. Okay, so it has been like like 5 months or so, and this is how it looks. Yeah. Okay, so we kind of need to get. I'm gonna go like we kind of got like everything. We got cones just to tell, so you guys kind of know what we are kind of doing. So you know, we kind of got like something going on. We're building like a house. Is a lot. I think like I think I'm gonna buy this house later on. If you guys want to see me doing a video of that, let me know. So we're on like I think step 20. There's like 40 steps in this. So we're on step 20. And we got like step 1, I don't know. We still got some more to do. We still gotta do the interior. So I think I'm gonna go get my hammer really quick. So I'll be right back when I have my hammer. Okay, so we're gonna kind of dig a little more. Put these in. So let me dig. That should be that should be enough. Let me dig a little more. That should be good. Then we'll be putting those in just in 1 minute. Dig that up. Dig this side. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna hammer. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. Same with this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. We're almost done. Okay, I think that should be enough. I'll talk to you guys in like a month or so. Alrighty, so we got a couple more deliveries in. Just like a month or two, I think it was like 2 months ago. Sorry, it has been such a long time because we were kind of been this spring already, so we're already working on the staircase, and like we kind of got like I mean it was been like a month. Yeah, it was been a month. We got our delivery truck last week, and we've been working on this area. So what we got a new we moved our toilet over here just to make it easier. And we got some carpet in, and but like right now, what we are working on, we are kind of working on the roof right now, so we gotta go up there. I'm gonna dig a little more over here really quick. That should be good. Pretty soon we get everything in. So let me get everything in. Boom. Boom. It's in. Boom. 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 Alright, wait, those are in. I think that's about it we gotta do. We're almost done with the roof, so we're kind of chilling. Let me actually, shoot. Yeah. Our crane is gone. Alrighty, so I'll talk to you guys in like 3 months. Okay, so we should be done like in like a month. We've been working on this house like over a year, I think. I don't know. See, we already got all of this done up here, and we are kind of working on the inside most likely. See, we got like our doors in, like we gotta put a couple more doors in, and like I think those light switches work, or maybe not yet. They don't work just yet. We got some toilets in. We got some like these in just to make the stairs get a little steadier. we got like some more doors in, so we can go. This is like, I forgot what this room is called, but later on I'm gonna buy this house. If you guys want to see that video of that, yeah, it's comment below. Yeah, we don't got too much in. Sorry. We're building a pool right now too. I forgot what this is gonna be. Okay, so we got some shower then, more showers, you know, a lot is going on right now. So, what the frick happened? Oh my gosh, what? Guys, I don't know what the heck that was about. Weird. Okay, anyways, yeah, we're almost done. Okay, let's just put some of this. Actually, no, we just need to do this. Blah, blah, okay, gotta put some stuff. Pretty soon we'll be putting the sink in. We have to, like, fix some pipes and all that. Yeah, I think we're almost done. See you guys when it's done. Well, guys, it looks like the house is all finished up. So we got an open house, a for sale sign, open house, and let's just enter in the house. And we got open house, so we got a pool. Okay, I think I locked the house. Yeah. This is kind of a, you know, we got a little pool area. You can swim if you want. And like we got the sink in. It works. And we got like, yep, we got all kinds of stuff. The light switches work. The porch light works. And like, what else do we got? We don't got any furniture in yet because there's no one's living here yet. I think this is supposed to be a bedroom, I forgot. Yeah, you got a bathroom. We got a bathroom right here. Working shower. Another working sink. And a working toilet, I think. Yep, the toilet works. And over here, just another room. Basically, I don't know what kind of room these are all gonna be. And like, we got like, no light switch works. Yeah, another working. I'm just making sure all the room works. And the curtains work, right? Yep, the curtains work. Okay, got a little bathroom. This is probably privacy. Yeah. Okay, so we're still gonna have to pack up a lot. Like, the garage is looking beautiful. So if you guys want to see me buy this house, because I pretty much am probably gonna buy it later on. But yeah, yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be the end of today's video, so make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. Peace.